In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to create database and table of Microsoft SQL Server. First, log into the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Click on the databases and right-click, then click on New Database. And in the database name, give the database name. I will give the database name as Demo. By default, the SQL Server database is saved in the C drive. If you want to change the location, then click on the three dots in the path. So click on these three dots and select the destination where you want to keep this database. In the same way, click on the three dots and select the database and select the location where you want to keep this database and click on OK. Then click on OK. This will create the database. Now refresh the SQL Server and check whether the database is created. So the database is created here. You can also create database by using query. So click on the new query and in the query type create database demo 1 and semicolon and click on execute and refresh the SQL Server. It will create the database demo 1. Now let's learn how to create the table. Expand the demo database, click on the tables, right click, then click on new, then click on table, and in the column name type name, worker, address, worker. Here worker is the data type and 50 is the number of characters. So I will change the number of characters to 40 in the field of name, as the number of characters is less as compared to that of address. And if you want to save it, click on the save icon, or you can type Ctrl S. So I will click on the save icon and type the table name here. I will give the table name as registration and click on OK. And now refresh the SQL Server again and expand the database, then expand the demo, expand the table. Now the table registration is created here. You can also create table by using query. So click on new query and type here use demo 1. Here demo 1 is my database name. Click on execute button and type here create the table registration. Registration here is the name of my table. Then in the bracket type name, field name, then worker, data type, then size, comma, address, worker, data type, then size, means the number of characters, and click on execute. This will create the table. Now refresh the SQL Server again and check whether the table is created. So expand the demo 1 and expand the table, so the table registration is created here.